it's Sierra here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm a professional hair and makeup artist here in Las Vegas. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I achieve this high ponytail using water, hair oil, and your favorite edge control. So come get ready with me and let's get into the video.
All right, guys, so this is just a quick soft glam look. I will have a full video in detail on what I use and how I use it. I have recently changed the way that I apply and use my concealer, so I will give you those updates as well, so stay tuned. And let's get into this snatched eyeliner. This is like my symbol for those of you who know me. And voila. All right, guys, now let's get into the video. All right, so this bonnet, y'all, I love. Check her out. I am doing this tutorial on 1 week old braid out hair, y'all. So I am going in with a Majestic hair oil. You can find that in the link below. And all I'm really doing is just getting it really nice and oiled and getting it saturated. Then I'm gonna go in with my good old H2O and just really refresh my hair and get everything nice and prepped to put on the edge control. And now this is the edge control I will be using. Now I don't have any real desire to really use edge control too often, but this is something that I have been using as of late, and I do like the way that it does lay everything down. But I will say, with me having more sandy brownish blondish hair, my hair is already pretty dry looking, so I think, in my personal opinion, it just has just this color that I'm not really just all the way happy with, but it does get the job done. I also don't really like the buildup that it has in once you put it on. And so that's really my only complaint, but that's for another day. So I'm going in with some more hair oil for extra shine, and I find this to be very helpful to help the edge control with a little bit of slip. So I did do that for those reasons as well. And all I'm doing here is just kind of going in and just starting to brush everything back for the ponytail. Now, I did say that it was about a week. Honestly, it was probably going on 2 weeks, to be quite honest. So please excuse all the extras. This is not a style that I usually wear too often. This is kind of like my get up and go, need to run an errand real quick kind of hairstyle. So this is kind of what I like to do when I still have a pretty defined braid out or twist out, but just kind of polish it up by putting it in a high ponytail, which you see me doing here. So it's nothing too crazy, and I'm just fluffing it out at this point. Now, I don't do all the swirls and all that with the edges. I will start though, but this is just, like I said, something really quick. I'm sitting up here trying to do the no rub challenge that the edge control has going on the social media. But all in all, I love this really quick look, and this is pretty much how it came out. I'm such a perfectionist, y'all, but you get the picture. You get the picture, and this is pretty much how it came out. So
Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, give your girl a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell for more videos. And I will see you guys in the next one.